Hello everybody, this is Alchemy's English Language Testing System. Last time in our part 17 of Alchemy's English Language Testing Systems, we were all discussing about articles, and in that the fag end of that particular class was about usage of articles and specifically with few, how we use articles with few. And just a recap, just a recalling that it was a few, that was the last part of that part 17. A few a small in number, a few a small in number, but at least some. A few a small in number, but at least some. Like example, a few people attended the meeting. A few people attended the meeting. The meaning in the above sentence is that at least some people attended the meeting. A few people attended the meeting means at least some people attended the meeting. But when we say few people attended, without using a, that article a, when we say a few people attended, it means not many. It means not many. Thus, when we say a few people, etc., it denotes a positive sense. When we say a few people, no problem, a few people attended the meeting means okay. And when we say few people means it's not encouraging. So, a few people always gives a encouraging or a positive result or a positive sense. Okay. Likewise, a little. A few people, we have just come to know about it now. A little. A little. A is an article. A little. A little means a small amount, but at least some. A little, a small amount, but at least some. Whereas, use of only little, when we use that word little, only little without a means not much, not enough. I ate few sandwich means it was not enough. Few. Okay, a few sandwiches I ate means something enough for him. Okay. Like let us see in some framing of sentences or constructing or structuring a sentence. A few examples, I read it out. Many a poet, many poets, many an hour, many hours, many a hour, many hours, a great many novels, a great many novels, a good many years, a good many years passed by, a good many years. I mean, it gives an emphasis, a here. A is only emphasizing the manyness. It emphasizes the manyness, a. Like we say, it was a nice scene, it was a nice. We generally use that, to emphasize something, to express that it suited you, you liked it. You say it was a nice movie, it was a nice scene, it was a nice dish. It was a nice dish. So it gives an emphasis, okay? The definite article the, also does the same or gives the same expression, the also. Like let us know how we at times use the also article. Many's the time, often. Many's the night, it means often. A is also used before dozen. Now again, please note, A is also used before dozen, 100, 1,000, million or billion, though the noun is in plural. I will just read out one or two sentences. It might, recall your memory, a dozen pens. Buy a dozen pens for these children. They are 12 in number. You buy a dozen pens. Okay. 100 rupees. A million stars. A million stars in the sky. A million pounds. $1,000,000, etc. Okay. A and an article, a and an indefinite article, is also used to refer to any number of a class. It is used to refer a number of a class. Now, class means, I think we all know what is a class. Class means the common people at one place. That is a class. All animals of the same kind. It is a class of animals. Okay. I will read it out. I will make it more easy. Here, the noun will be referring to the whole class as such. For example, a cow is a useful animal. It doesn't mean that single cow. A cow is a useful animal. It doesn't mean this cow. It means the total class of cows, or simple words, the kingdom of cows, or the total cows on this earth. A cow is a useful animal. A peacock is a beautiful bird. A peacock is a beautiful bird means all the peacocks. Okay. In this usage, the indefinite article is similar to the definite article in its classifying function. The cow is a sacred animal. The peacock is a majestic bird. Here we are referring to all cows and all peacocks. So this is all about the usage of a. And now let us see what this definite article tells us about. And the definite article represented by THED. Okay. The definite article the can be used with singular or plural nouns where the reference is intended to be definite, as in the case of a and the also can be separated from its noun by one or more words. Example, a boy, a nice boy, a very nice boy, the big boy, the tall handsome boy. Definite article denotes that its noun refers to a special person, animal or thing as distinct from others of the same kind. Like the dog was limping. Somebody hit the dog, it could not walk, it was limping. The dog was limping. Okay, here the definite article the is there. It is not referred anywhere. But here, when we precisely want to indicate something has happened to the dog, we use that definite article the. Okay. That is the explanation. In the above sentence, we are referring to a particular dog which has already been mentioned. The is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to. That is when it is clear from the context which one we mean, as the house you want to buy is sold. The house you want to buy is sold. Another example, let us go to the park which is on the river. Let us go to the park which is on the river bank. The boy cried. The boy cried. Already referred, the boy cried. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, as the cow is a useful animal or cows are useful animals. The cat loves comfort. The horse is a noble animal. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. The banyan is a kind of fig tree. The banyan is a kind of fig tree. Care, don't say a kind of a fig tree. When you say kind of fig tree, again you don't have to say the banyan is a kind of a fig tree. With you can delete a, you can avoid saying a. The banyan is a kind of fig tree only. Okay. The noun man and women can be used in general sense without either articles. Man and women without articles. Man is the only animal. Man is the only animal. We don't say the man here, man or a man. Man is the only animal that uses fire. Man is the only animal that uses fire. Woman is man's mate. In present day English, a man, a woman, or the men, the women are more in use. There usually we say the man. Okay, in the present use is like that. We use definite article the for some of the specific items so recognized in view of their unique status. We use definite article the for some of the specific items so recognized in view of their unique status before proper names, place names. Example, he has met the chief minister. He has met the chief minister. The sky is cloudy. The Pacific Ocean, the Ganga River, the Suez Canal, the West Indies, the Himalayas, the Alps, mountain range, Alps, the United Kingdom, the Ukraine, the Netherlands, the Hague, used with names of countries which include words like republic. Some countries, they use that republic, Republic of Ireland, suppose. It is the Republic of Ireland, you have to use the. That is what he says, it is said here. Used with names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom. Example, the Irish Republic, the moon, the sun. Used before the names of certain books as the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Quran, whatever sacred books are there or famous books are there. The is used before a common noun to give the meaning of an abstract noun. I think you all know what is an abstract noun. In the parts of the speech, I had already explained you what an abstract noun is. Okay. The is used before the common noun to give the meaning of an abstract noun. Example, at least the warrior in him was thoroughly aroused. At least the warrior in him thoroughly aroused. Warrior in him means he had the what we call the braveness or bravery to fight in the battle. That is what, or for some work, like he wanted to do like a ghost, like a wizard. So we can say at least the warrior in him was thoroughly aroused. Used before adjectives like the rich, the poor, the handicapped. We don't say handicapped, we say challenged person, or nowadays we call handicapped as the person who does his work in a different manner. who does his work differently. Okay, the person who does his work differently. We should avoid saying handicapped. Okay, used with a weak demonstrative function. Example, at the moment. At the moment, that is used with a weak demonstrative function. Example, at the moment we have no jobs for engineers. At the moment we have no jobs for engineers. At the time, I did not tell him at that time. I did not tell him at the time. At the time. Okay. Used with the proper nouns when it is qualified by an adjective or defining adjectival clause as the great Caesars, Julius Caesar, the great Caesar, the immortal Shakespeare, the Mr. Banerjee whom you met yesterday is my boss. The Mr. Banerjee whom you met yesterday is my boss. The is used with comparative and superlatives. The is used with comparative and superlatives. We have a class in degrees comparison. We have a class, degrees of comparison, usage of positive, comparative and superlative. Whenever we use superlative, we use the before a superlative. Let us see how. Okay. The is used with comparative and superlatives. The darkest men are Negroes. The darkest men are Negroes. This is the best book. This is the best book. This is the best book of R.K. Narayan. The more he talks, the less he works. The more he talks, the less he works. The more, the merrier. The more, the merrier. Used with ordinals. Ordinals. Used with ordinals indicating order or sequence relating to an order. Ordinals means he was the first man to arrive at the meeting. He was the first man to arrive at the meeting. The first man. Okay. The 10th chapter of the book is very interesting. The 10th chapter of the book is very interesting. Okay. Before musical instruments, we use the. Before musical instruments, he plays the piano, a piano forte. Piano, he plays the piano, the flute, etc. Okay. He can play the flute, he can play the flute before musical instruments. The is spoken while reading out numerals in dates and titles, though it is not shown in writing. Like King Henry VIII. When we say aloud, we place the. When we say it loud, we say the. We say the King Henry the VIII. Okay. Then when we write like this, December 27th, we write it. But when we have to say it loud, when we make it audible, aloud, then we say, in writing we write like this, but when we say December the 27th, when we say it aloud, loudly when we say, or vocal, whatever it is, like I am speaking, when you speak, you say December the 27th, the is used here, okay? Again, certain places there is also omission of articles. Certain structuring of sentences, we omit it. There is no need of using articles. Let us discuss about that where we don't use articles. Okay, we'll discuss that where articles are. Omission of articles, where we can avoid using articles. Okay, the article is omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns used in a general sense. Okay, example, sugar is bad for your teeth. Gold is a precious metal. Wisdom is the gift of heaven. We have not used any article here. It is understood. Honesty is the best policy. Virtue has its own reward. But we say sometimes, he wanted to buy an iron. Iron means to iron the clothes. Iron. The gold used in this idol is of 22 carats. The gold. Here again we use an article. The gold. Why? Because emphasizing the activity. There only we use this. We do not use an article before material nouns like iron, steel, gold and cotton unless we are using as a particular instance of the material. Gold is a precious metal. The use of gold in this jewelry is of 22 carats. He wanted to buy an iron. Okay. When we are referring to institutions like church, school, college, hospital, we do not use any article, but when we are referring to the building of a particular institution, we use the. He goes to school at 8:30 a.m. We have not used any article, but she went to the school to pay fees. Okay. We do not use an article before little when used with proper nouns. Titles, sorry. We do not use an article before titles when used with proper nouns. Example, President Reagan was an actor when he was young. Birendra, king of Nepal, visited India long back. We do not use an article with a common noun when it is used in general sense. I think you all know what's a common noun, girl, boy, all this. Man is afraid of nature. Religion helps man in his conquest for God. Okay? Woman is more efficient than man. We have not used any article in these sentences. Okay? We do not use an article before a noun when it is used in general sense as part of a phrase. In general sense, as part of a phrase, we don't use any article. Okay? Example. Okay? To send word. It's a phrase, to send word. To give ear. I am telling you something. Please give ear to it. Okay? To lose heart. To go to bed. We use we use the for uncountable nouns when used in particular sense, especially when qualified by an adjective or adjectival phrase or clause. Would you pass me the sugar? Suppose you are at a dining table and the sugar bowl or the container of the sugar is there little far on the table. You can say, would you pass me the sugar? The wisdom of Solomon is great. I cannot forget the kindness with which he treated me. We do not use article before countable nouns used in general sense. Children like chocolates in general sense. The children, we don't say a children. Okay, no? Computers are used in many offices. We don't say the computers. Computers are used in many offices. We use the when used with particular meaning as the is also used at times. See, look at this. We use the when used with particular meaning, particular sense is there. Where are the children? The father is coming asking his wife, where are the children? Means our children. That's what the is used. Where are the children? Where are children? He doesn't say. Or we never say, we say, where are the children? Where are the boys? Where are the players? Nobody is seen. The spectators have come. Where are the players? Like that. Okay. Article is omitted or usable before most proper nouns except those referred to earlier, namely names of people, example Gopal, Govardhan, before names of continents, example South America, Europe, North America, omitted before names of countries as Switzerland, Belgium, omitted before names of cities, Paris, New Delhi, Mumbai, etc. Omitted before names of individual mountains, but not mountain ranges. Mount Everest is the highest in the world, or in the Himalayan range. Before article is omitted before individual islands, lakes, hills, etc. Omitted before names of meals. Omitted before names of meals. What time do you have lunch? You don't say the lunch. What time do you have lunch? Dinner is ready. Okay. We use a when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner. When there is an adjective, like I had a late lunch today. There you use that a. I had lunch, you don't say a lunch. But when it is referred, when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc., then we use I had a late lunch today. The dinner we had at the tourist hotel was very nice. Okay. Article is not used before languages. Article is not used before languages. We are studying English. They speak Tamil at home. Okay. Before school, college, universities, church, bed, hospital, prison, when these places are visited or used for their primary purpose, as I learn French at school, we go to church on Sundays. We stay in bed till 9 every morning. We stay in bed till 9 every morning. My uncle is still in hospital. Okay, note. The is used with the above words when we refer to them as a definite place, building or object. The school is very near to my house. The is used with the above words when we refer to them as a definite place, building or object. Examples. The school is very near to my house. I met Ashok at the church. The bed is broken. I went to the hospital to see my uncle. Article is not used before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, cook, nurse, etc. Father has returned. Uncle wants you to come soon. Cook has given notice that tomorrow she is not coming. Okay, articles not used before nouns denoting a unique position, that is a position that is normally held at one time by one person only. Example, he was elected chairman of the board. Mr. Ashok became director of IBS in 2020. Article not used in certain phrases consisting of transitive verb followed by its object, as to catch fire, to take breath, to cast anchor, to send word, to set sail. Okay. Not used in certain phrases consisting of preposition followed by its object, as at home, not at the home, at home, only at home. In hand, like there is a small phrase or an idiom, a bird in hand is worth two in bush. A bird, it's an idiom, a bird in hand is worth two in bush. And it is not in the hand, in hand, a bird in hand. Okay, by day, by night, at daybreak, at sunrise, at noon, at sunset, at night, at sight, on demand, at interest, on earth, by land, by water, by river, by train, by steamer, by name, on foot, at dinner, at ease, underground, above ground. So with uh, this small explanation for articles, I think we can somehow use it in proper sense. Please be guided with this, and also to memorize them, you keep reading good books, newspapers, see how the articles reflect there or used there by the journalists or by the authors of good books. All of you, please read books. We have almost tried to complete what is given in the rules given in the articles. So we will again meet in our next part 19, with direct indirect speech and degrees of comparison, how best we can get a grip on them and use it properly. Try to use it properly. Read good books. Always read books and see whatever you have heard today, how they are also used there. Please try to do that. All the best to you, and hope you have a very bright new year ahead, 2021. Best of luck to you, and many such good years should always occupy you while you are orbiting around this sun. Goodbye to everybody. Bye. See you again. Thank you for watching very much. I should thank you all for that patience you have accumulated, gathered to listen to this. Thank you so much. Bye then. Bye everybody.